Hey everyone, it's Preston again over at Easy Auto Spa in beautiful Duluth, Georgia. Today we've got a even more beautiful Audi R8 in here. This one is the Coupe V10 Performance Package. Sharp car, fast car, low profile car, rock chip prone, unfortunately. So this one's a 2022. It's been on the road for a little bit. He doesn't drive it a lot as he spends about half the year across the pond playing a sport. But whenever he does drive it, he knows to picking up chips, wanting to do what he could to completely prevent that. So today we're installing some beautiful SunTech Ultra paint protection film all over this beautiful blue. We're doing a package called a track package, which is going to cover up the full front end. So every bit of the front bumper here, even the reflectors, the headlights, the whole entire hood in one piece. A lot of shops like to do it in 3 pieces. We like to do it in 1 piece. That way we avoid a seam along here on either side of the hood. Just a cleaner result, looks better. It's a good looking car. Why not have the PPF look good too? Beyond the hood, we're doing the little tiny fenders here, protect against anything that could come up from these front tires. All of the carbon fiber on the rocker here, carbon fiber going down the rest of the car too, because carbon fiber is expensive to repair. If not, you're replacing it. So we're PPFing that to give it a chance at surviving. Lower rockers too, all the blue spots of that, the little L shape too here, as well as a rear splash on the back of the vehicle. But last thing, doing the windshield frame. Since it's so low, again, to the road, we want to help keep any rock chips off wherever we can without breaking the bank and doing a full body install for this client. So we're wrapping every edge possible. SunTech Ultra is also a very well self-healing type film to where if it picks up any scratches just out and about while being washed, anything of that sort, a little bit of daylight heat, a little bit of engine heat if there was an engine in the front of this one would help cure it out, but the daylight will do just fine. So this PPF install is just going to help ensure that his investment is well protected, doesn't have to worry about ruining that factory paint anytime soon, if not ever. Just helps keep this one looking as pretty as it should. If you ever have a question about PPF for your car, your mom's car, your neighbor's car, your brand new R8, give us a call, shoot us a text, swing by the shop. We got one here in Duluth, another one over in Athens. Always happy to help. I've been Preston. Hope you have a good rest of your day.